Yeah?
Here.
Is that a mess?
Huh?
Is this a mess?
Yeah, it is a mess.
Here we have paints and parts,
And it's a
bits of
mess.
things to make things with. There's the table where it's all made.
Well, you're shooting a video.
I'm shooting a video.
Okay.
Here's some of the research.
Parts.
Yeah, spare
Tools.
parts. The tools and machinery to make it all.
And junk stacked high.
And junk stacked high. Yep. More parts.
And the boss checking up.
See? Let's see. That's what it all starts as. Little bits and pieces. And then you have the model in progress. So there is, what is that, Dad?
Engine house.
Oh, okay.
And machine shop.
Okay, engine house and machine shop. So you can see he builds it all by hand with little bits of wood and tiny little rivets and
Some commercial.
some commercial. There's a little ditch for the workers to climb into while they work on the engine. All right. Say hi to the kids.
Hi, guys.